Hey viewers, welcome to my channel. Our today's project is how to crochet this beautiful neckline. You can use it on designer shirts, sweaters, crochet frock, knitted frock or shirts. It gives beautiful fancy look to your dress. I have used 3mm crochet hook. I have used silk thread. You can use any type of thread or wool for this project. First of all, make a knot and then make a chain of length according to your front neckline. From here we will start first row. Attach at the 4th stitch with double crochet and make double crochet at each chain stitch throughout the first row. Second row start with 3 chains. These 3 chains count as first double crochet. Make 2 more double crochet at next 2 stitches. At 4th stitch, make 2 double crochet at same stitch. Make 3 double crochet at next 3 stitches. And make 2 double crochet at 4th same stitch. Follow this sequence. At the end, 3 double crochet at 3 stitches and 2 double crochet at the same 4th stitch. Third row starts with 3 chains. These 3 chain stitches count as first double crochet. Make another double crochet at the base stitch, not at next stitch. It gives round shape corner to neckline. Then make 3 chains. Attach at the 5th stitch with double crochet. Make 1 more double crochet at same stitch. Make 2 chain. And make 2 more double crochet at the same 5th stitch. Follow this sequence. At the end, make 3 chains, attach at the 5th stitch with double crochet, make another double crochet, make 2 chain, then make 2 double crochet at the same 5th stitch. Fourth row starts with 3 chain. These 3 chains count as first double crochet. Make 1 more double crochet at next stitch. Make 3 chains. And attach at the 2 chain space with double crochet. Make 1 more double crochet. Make 2 chains. Make 2 double crochet at the same space. This pattern will repeat at the end. 4th rows pattern will repeat as you like to increase the neckline length. Now we will make the tassels for neckline. These tassels increase the fancy look of our neckline. More number of threads increase the thickness of your tassels. These tassels will attach at the 2 chain space. Now our neckline has completed. I hope you like it. Viewers, I am a beginner YouTuber. I need your support. If you like my project, please subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.